All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning. Want to send a big shout out to all those folks who made our day trading FX bootcamp yesterday a massive success. Man, we had over 3,000 people registered for the event. 5 hours of education. How to day trade FX markets. What a day. Absolutely incredible. For you folks who did attend, or perhaps you were unable to make it and you are looking to watch the recording, we're going to have that up on our YouTube channel here shortly. We're working through the content right now. We'll get it all ready to go. We'll throw it up there. You can watch 5 hours of education on and off at your leisure, how you see fit. But man, what a day. We've got more of these coming. We've got another one coming up in August. So look, keep an eye on the calendar. Make sure you get signed up early. Again, a lot of demand for these events. Really good stuff. Now looking at the markets today, stock market's flat. Had a day into green yesterday. FX seeing weakness in the dollar once again over the past couple days. Euro pressing up against 1.20. Pounds pressing up against 1.40. The one area of dollar strength is against the yen, up above 111. All right, folks, going to be another crazy day. Let's go get some. I'll check in with you tomorrow.